How to upload photos with data saver on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload photos with data saver on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one, photo upload quality. Just click on it, and here you can make it this one, data saver. Just click on it and click OK and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.